After completing this section, you will be able to set the level of chart detail, get information with a pick report. There are two buttons that give either a standard or user chart display. In the Chart tab of the menu, there is also the possibility to select a base or standard display, or one of three user displays. The level of detail on all of these displays can be changed by selecting them and adjusting the ticks on one or all of the 3 pages. The user selected here is the one that appears when the User button on the toolbar is clicked. The More button opens up a window that shows the operator what items should be selected for the base and standard IHO viewing groups. International or S52 charts can be selected and the display text increased or decreased in size. The chart legend contains some very useful information on the charts available in the vessel position. This is displayed with a click on the question mark. The chart legend also has information on the version of the IHO presentation library installed. On page 2 of the Chart tab, we also see settings for the depth shades and 2 values that define both shallow and deep water. There is one other button on the toolbar that changes both the chart display and the operator control settings. Consult the Ecdis manual for a complete list of items that can be saved onto the hard drive of the Ecdis computer. One example is the display orientation. Previously saved settings can be loaded. If the default setting is requested, it will possibly change a lot, so a confirmation message appears before this is done. Once the Pick button is activated, the cursor changes to show a question mark. Clicking anywhere on the chart display brings up a report on objects in the area, including the chart. If additional information is available on an object, pressing the Value Descriptions button reveals what it is. A highlight is placed on the selected chart object. Notice that the chart legend is also available from this window. Edit a user-inserted object by activating the Pick function and then clicking on the user-inserted object. Notice that there is a little square on each object that has to be clicked to open up the Edit window. If other information is needed on the chart detail, press this button. Let's take a moment to look back on the key points covered in this section. There are 3 user settings that can be set for the chart display. The Def button allows a previously saved display and operator settings to be selected. The Pick report is activated using the button on the toolbar. There could also be additional information available from the Value Descriptions function. The Pick function can be used to edit user-inserted objects.